In this video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts on Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, in order to do this process, you need to start it on the Epic Games website. So instead of starting this process on the actual console, go to epicgames.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone. This is where you can sign into your Epic Games account to manage all of the connections, including the connection to your Nintendo account. Basically, we have to unlink the currently linked Nintendo account in order to properly switch accounts on Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. So after you sign into an Epic Games account on this website, hover over your icon at the top right corner of the screen and go into Account. Inside of the Account page, use the menu at the left side of the screen in order to go into Apps and Accounts. And finally, make sure that you go over to the Accounts tab. As you can see in here, this is why you have all the connections to your Epic Games or your Fortnite account. What we have to do here is remove the Nintendo account link that is currently active. Right after you remove this Nintendo account link, the next time you open up Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch, you will get the prompt to sign into a new Fortnite or Epic Games account. Basically, you have to do this process every time you want to switch accounts, as there is no option to log out inside of Fortnite on the Switch. So this is all you have to do. You will notice that for me, the option to remove is not here because I don't have a currently linked Nintendo account, but if you do, all you would have to do here is click remove, and after it has been removed, go back to your Nintendo Switch and you will get instructions to log into a new account. If you want to return to this account, just unlink the next account that you use for a while, go back to this one and make a new connection like so. After you are done, you will be able to access any of both accounts that you are trying to use, and you can sign in and out of a specific Nintendo account on the Nintendo Switch through this method. I hope I was able to help you on how to switch accounts on Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.